Hey guys, Stu here with Main Street Mower. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to showcase this product that we carry. It's called the tree toppler. This is an air cannon for launching your throw line, and it's pretty easy to use. It has a air nipple here that you can refill with a simple hand bicycle pump, and it has a pressure gauge to tell you how much pressure is in your tank. There's a max of 110 PSI that they allow you to put in here. Now, these are lead bean bags. You can get them in all different weights, 10, 12, 14, or 16 pound. Obviously, the lighter ones are gonna go further, the heavier ones shorter. The heavier ones have more weight to pull themselves down once they get shot over. With a little practice, you can get dialed in how much pressure you're gonna need for your 16 ounce to shoot this distance. We've shot it a bunch of times. We've gotten better with each one. Y'all ready? Oh, it missed. Take two. Here, wait. I didn't see that it's hung up on a little limb. I don't think I can use it. It broke? No way. Oh, this is bad. Basically, I pumped this about 15 times and got it to 60 PSI. We're gonna be taking a shorter shot here. And I'm gonna hold it like this because a couple days ago I held it like this, and the recoil of shooting it put the corner of this into my chin. You can see the little bite I got. Kind of embarrassing. I'm accident prone, I guess.
No. Danger's my middle name. Okay.
That's it, let's go check it out. All right, so there's a little bit of a safety knob here. Keeps this valve from coming undone. I'm gonna open that up. I got this under my shoulder here. I'm gonna aim towards our desired limb, and then I'm gonna be opening up this ball valve and sending 60 PSI to this 16 ounce bag and propelling it over that limb there. I'm gonna aim a little bit above it, something like this. Now, that's probably a 30-foot limb. I probably could have managed to throw over that limb, but this made it way easy and 100%. Instead of it taking me 10 or 15 minutes fooling around. I am not a tree climbing expert. I just have a little climbing setup of my own to learn more about it. I know there's a lot of experts that know so much more about this. I just hope to show how a layman could use that gun for the first time and that it's an easy product to operate. Then I'm gonna use this throw line to get my climbing rope up over this limb. Now I'm done with this throw line. So we have another video where we have a climbing expert teaching a lot of special knots. One such knot that he teaches is called Alpine butterfly, so I'm gonna be doing that. So Alpine butterfly is basically in your left hand. You make 2 loops and you have 3 rope. You bring the right side over, and then you bring the middle one over and through the hole. And then you dress the knot and you have that hole. Then we thread our other end through this hole and send this knot up to our limb. All right, we'll keep it short and sweet. That's it. This is the tree topper. Great little product. Seems very durable. It's easy to fill with air. It's easy to take a shot. It's easy to set ropes for climbing, for swings, for whatever. Pick one up today. We carry these at our stores, Winter Garden, Claremont, and Ocala. Continue watching our channel. We love the feedback, we love the comments. Like, subscribe, click the bells and all that mess. Thanks so much. See ya.